So to use the Microsoft Teams app, which is a meeting app, you need to have an account with Microsoft.com first of all before you can access the Microsoft Teams app, because you need to sign up. So go to account.microsoft.com/account and create an account with them by tapping on sign in. It's going to load up, and when it comes up, you're going to see the option to create one. Can you see? You tap on create one if you do not have an account. But if you have an account, just enter your email and sign in. So let's go to the Microsoft Teams app. This is it. I already have an account, and that's why you can see my profile picture at the top right hand corner, signifying that I have already signed in. So when you open the Microsoft Teams app, you're going to see some icons at the left hand side. So the first icon is activity, which is the default. And when you tap on it, you're going to see your unread mentions, tag mentions, and all. So I have nothing in here, and that is why it's a peaceful and quiet place here. Next, you see the chat bubble. If you tap on it, you're going to see your previous chats with individuals or even during meetings and all. So if there is any chat you want to follow up on, you simply tap on the name or the meeting and continue chatting of the person. So let's say I want to reply this person. I'll tap on her name and then come here and maybe say, how are you doing? So I'll send it. Now, one funny thing about this kind of chat is that when you send it, you will not be able to delete it. So you have to be sure that you want to actually send the message. Else, what to do is to hover around the chat itself and then tap on this pencil icon and then tap on edit. Then you quickly change it to the actual message you want to send, then tap on the done icon. All right, so let's go to the next icon, which is calls. When you tap on it, you're going to see the calls you have received and the calls you have made. Then you see OneDrive. If you tap on it, here it's going to take you to your Microsoft OneDrive account where you see your files, shared files, favorites, your recycle bin and all. So you have access to the files that you have already opened or the files that were shared with you or the folders you created. So you simply tap on each of these icons to see what is there and make use of it. Then you have the copilot icon. If you tap on it, it's going to open up the AI for you to have a conversation with copilot. So you can ask it a question and it's going to respond to you. Let's see, what is velocity? And then I'll send it. Okay, can you see? So it has explained it to me in less than 30 seconds. So it's an inbuilt AI that helps you get answers to questions and so on. Then you have the meet icon. If you tap on it, you're going to see your recent meetings, your upcoming meetings, and so on. At the top, you're going to see join with an ID, that is join a Microsoft Teams meeting with an ID, or you want to create an instant meeting, you tap on meet now, or you can tap on this drop down and you're going to see schedule a meeting, webinars, town hall, virtual appointment, and all. I skipped this icon at the top, which is calendar. If you tap on calendar, you're going to see your calendar. Now this calendar is displayed in the weekly mode. If you want to change the view of your calendar to maybe the monthly mode, can you see it has changed to monthly? You can also change it to workday week, can you see? Or you can change it to just a day, but I always prefer seeing it in the weekly mode, so it makes more sense. And then here you can decide to also start an instant meeting by clicking on start now, meet now, or tap on this drop down, create an event, channel meeting, webinar, and all. Or you can also come inside the calendar itself. If you tap on any part of the calendar, let's say I tap on this part, can you see? The option will come up for me to create a meeting. What is the title of the meeting? Which day do I want the meeting to take place? The time, and then will it be all day? I can turn it on. So let's say I want to create a meeting. I would say meeting with Honey. Tap on the date. Let's say I want to have it on the 15th. The time, let's leave it at 7 p.m. or let's change it to 7:30. Then this is the ending date and time. Tap on it and say maybe I want it for 1 hour 15 minutes. Can you see? Then add a room or location. You can add a description, blah 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 blah. Just say something about the meeting. You can tap on more options and it will open up for you. Open up the interface. Then here you can add attachment. Let's say there is a PowerPoint or a document you want to discuss about in the meeting. Simply tap on this paper clip and it will ask you to choose where the document is. Is it in your computer, in your OneDrive app, or you want to upload and share? So whichever one. If it's in the computer, you tap on it, browse this computer. So you just select the document you want to attach. Let's say I want to use this picture in the meeting. Just tap on it and tap on open, and it's already here. Can you see? So it has been attached. Then you can insert pictures inline, you can insert emojis, and when you're done, you just go ahead and tap on save at the top. Can you see? Just tap on save at the top. And if you want the meeting to repeat itself, let's say it will reoccur again, you simply tap on make reoccurring. Then it will ask you, do you want it to repeat every week? Can you see? Every day, or every week, every month, every year? So you choose how you want it to reoccur. Then you tap on your save or discard. And when you're done with your entire settings, can you see occurs every Tuesday and all? When you're done with these settings, just customize it to your taste. When you're done, you tap on save. You can also duplicate the events, and you can make yourself busy. Can you see? Just to show your availability. Are you free, working elsewhere, tentative, busy, out of office, and all? Then this is a reminder. Do you want to be reminded 15 minutes before the meeting, 5 minutes before, 1 hour before, and all? Just choose what works best for you, and then you go ahead and save. So this is how to create a meeting on Microsoft Teams, a scheduled meeting, not an instant meeting. So let me delete it because I'm not actually ready for it. Then you have the meet icon below, which we have looked at. It's going to show you your previous meetings and all. You can also tap on meet now or create a new meeting. If you tap on new meeting, it will give you room to also schedule a meeting, just like I've shown you before. So let's cancel it. Then when you tap on meet now, it's an instant meeting, like you are ready to start the meeting right away. So we tap on meet now, assuming we are ready to start a meeting. So it's going to give you option to edit the meeting name. By default, it is meeting with Hannah to J Ibrahim because that is the name on my profile. So you can change it to suit the purpose of the meeting. Let's say meeting with Honey, then click on get a link to share, because you will not be the only one in the meeting. So you have copied the meeting link. Then you tap on, you either share via email to invite participants, or just start the meeting and then go to their chat box, maybe on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and drop the link in there to notify them that, oh, I'm about to start a meeting. Now you're going to have this option come up. It's showing you that your camera is turned off. So if you want to turn it on, you tap on this icon, turn on camera, and then your mic is already turned on. If you want it turned off, maybe you want to join the meeting on mute, so you tap on mute, so that when you join the meeting, your face will not be seen and your voice will not be heard. So let's tap on join now. So you'll be prompted to copy the meeting link or add participants. In case you forgot to copy the meeting link before now, so you simply tap on copy meeting link again and it's copied. So you can go ahead and send it to the participants. Now it says my microphone is muted because indeed I am muted. So this is the countdown, tell you when you started the meeting and how much time you have spent in the meeting. Then inside the meeting, you have the chat box. It shows you the conversation you are having with the meeting participants, your clients, and all of that. So when you tap on the chat bubble, the chat box would show. So if there is any chat for you at that moment, it's going to display here. Now, because I'm the only person in the meeting, you will not see anything here. When I type something in the chat box and I send it, anyone in the meeting will be able to see it. And then I can also add emojis, and I can even attach other files. Can you see I can attach files? I can schedule the message. If I don't want to send it immediately, I can schedule it to deliver at a particular time. So let's close it. Then you have people. Here it shows you the people currently in the meeting. I'm the only one in the meeting. That's why you see one. But if you have other people in the meeting, you'll see their names in here. And in case the names are much, you can type to search and know if someone is in the meeting or not. Then you have the raise hand. Let's say you are in a meeting, you are not the host, and maybe you want to speak, but you are all asked to mute yourself, so you can tap on raise hand. When you tap on it, your hand will be raised. Can you see? And the coordinator would see that your hand is actually raised. You can see a hand is raised. So if you want to bring it down, tap on it again and you lower your hand. Next, you have react. Here you can send reactions, the thumbs up, which is like, love, clap, laugh, surprise, and so on. So you can interact using reactions in the meeting. Then you have the breakout rooms. Here, let's say you have so many participants in the meeting and you want them to discuss among themselves, and maybe you want to share them in groups. So you can click on breakout room, click on breakout rooms to create breakout rooms. The number of rooms you want to create, it could be 2, 1, and so on, 3, 4, and then you can manually assign people to the rooms, or you can let them choose the rooms they are interested in, and so on. So it's a breakout room that allow them to discuss in groups, and maybe when they're done with the discussion, get back to you. Then we have more apps. If you tap on it, you will have access to more apps. You can search for apps using the search bar here. Then you have more actions. If you tap on it, it's going to give you the option to record the meeting and transcribe. So if you want to record it, tap on start recording. It will also give you the meeting information. You have option for video effects and settings. If you want to add some effect to your video, let's say your camera is turned on, you want to add some video effects to your settings. Let me tap on it, tap on video effects, and different effects will come up. Do you want your background blur? Do you want to have a frame? Then tap on apply. So do you want to use a blur background? You tap on standard blur. Do you want to use frames? You just walk around it, select the frame you think you want to use. When you're done, you tap on apply. You can also use avatars here. Tap on it, you're going to see avatars. It will use your face to create an avatar for you. Then you also tap on settings to work more on the settings. Here you have video settings. So I have different cameras in my computer, but currently I want to use this, and that is why it is ticked. Then you can also adjust brightness. If you turn it on, it will give you the option to adjust brightness. Can you see the brightness has increased and so on? Just walk around it. Let's close it. So next we have the mic. If you tap on the drop down beside it, it's going to give you the option to select the mic you want to use in the meeting, just like you are able to select the camera you are using in the meeting. So I'm using this and it's fine. So you can also turn on noise suppression, that is, it reduces the noise in your background for you. So let's turn it on. Then you have the option share. If you tap on share, it will give you the option to either share your screen or give you the option to share your window or give you the option to share a PowerPoint document or also give you the option to share a whiteboard. Now, at the top, you're going to see the option include sound. So if you tap on include sound, you're trying to say that whatever you're sharing, if there is a sound coming from that very stuff, if it's a video, if there is a sound coming from it, then your participants should hear the sound. Maybe you want to share a particular window that is playing a video, so you want them to hear the sound, then you tap on include sound. So you can tap on screen. If you tap on screen, your entire screen will be shared. Can you see? So currently, the participant in this meeting will be seeing my screen. You can see at the top. So be sure that you really want to share. If you're not ready to share, then please don't go ahead and tap on share. You can tap on window. If you tap on window, in this case, let's say I want to include the sound. So different windows that are opened on my computer would come up. So I'll just select the window I want to share. Remember that when you tap once, boom, it begins to share. So currently they are seeing the very window, that is this window that I'm sharing. So tap on stop sharing because this is not what I want to share. So just be sure of what you want to share before you go ahead and tap on share. Just tap on it and different windows that are currently opened will show. If it's this shared, if it's this, just be sure, and be sure you want the audio to be turned on before you tap on it. Then you can also share the whiteboard. This is a Microsoft whiteboard. If you tap on it, the whiteboard will come up. You can also share your slides. Let's say you have a PowerPoint slide and you want to share it in the meeting. You can share it. Now, most times, your slides, that is, if you have opened it before now, it will come down here. These are slides that have already opened before now, and that's why you see the slides all lined up here. But in case it's not showing up here, you can just scroll down and you see the option browse my computer. If you tap on it, then you tap on whatever folder that you have that document saved, and tap on it and open it up, and before you know, it's sharing. So let's open this and let's see how it will come up if shared. All right, so can you see the PowerPoint that I just opened is here. Now, one important thing is to turn on the private view mode so that you will be the only one seeing these other slides below. If you don't turn it on, the participants will be seeing the other slides and move faster than you. So it's best that you turn it off so that you'll be the only one seeing the other slides and deciding which slide you would discuss on. If you leave it on, your participants would see and even go faster than you. So we have the laser here. If you tap on it, you can use the laser on the screen. You have the pen. When you tap on it, you can change the color and then you can use it on the slide. You have the highlighter. You can tap on it, change the color and use it. You have the eraser. If you tap on it, you can use it to erase whatever you have scribbled on the board. There is a line here. This is where you tap on and move it to the right, and it will keep showing you all the slides available. And when you're done sharing, just tap on stop sharing. Okay, now you also have the option for layout only. That you can choose the layout. So I left it on content only, which is okay. So you tap on stop presenting. So let me turn on my camera. When you tap on the share, you see the option presenter mode. So you can choose content only, standout, side by side, reporter mode. So you're simply trying to set it in the way you prefer it to be. So let's say I want it in a reporter mode. I'll tap on it and then you see what will happen. Tap on a window that I want to share. I'm sharing this window. Now can you see the window is being shared? So let's stop sharing. You can try other views and see what works best for you. Okay, so let's share the whiteboard. Let's tap on share, then tap on Microsoft Whiteboard. So the board has opened up. I just used to close it and use my default whiteboard. So in the whiteboard, you have the timer. Let's say you write a question on the board. 2x plus 4 is equal to 6. Maybe you say find x. And then you want your students to attempt it. So you simply add a time. Maybe you're giving your student 10 seconds and also when you tap on start timer, can you see? It will start ticking, and once the 10 seconds, sorry, once the 10 minutes is done, it's going to stop. So you can toggle it and add the minutes or reduce the minutes. Can you see? When you're tapping on it, you're adding the minute, add 1 minute, add 1 minute, and so you can pause it and you can even stop it entirely. Then you have the pen. This is the pen. You can pick the pen here and write. You have different colors of pen to use. You have a highlighter. This is a highlighter. When you tap on it, more colors will come up and you can use it. You have the laser. Tap on it and use the laser. You have the ruler. If you tap on it, the ruler will come up. Then we have the lasso. If you tap on it, this is how it looks. Then you can cancel it. Then you have the eraser. If you tap on it, can you see? You're erasing everything you wrote. Then you have the sticky notes. Tap on it and add a sticky note on the board. So just tap on it and add a text. Can you see? And you can tap on it and delete it. So you also have reactions that you can use in the board. Can you see? You have the love, the star reaction, you have the red question mark, and also when you tap on it, bring it in. Can you see? You have it on the whiteboard. So let's close it. You also have new comments. This is where you add a comment. You can also add text. If you tap on add text, you can add text in the whiteboard itself. Then you have add shapes or lines. Tap on it, different shapes will come up. You tap on the shape you want to add, and you see, and then you can write inside the shape. Then you can tap on these three dots to see more options. Here you can add templates, add images. You can bring an image from your device to the whiteboard. You can also add documents, add PDF or PowerPoint. Can you see document as image? You can add videos. You can just add links, clickable links into the whiteboard. And when you're done with the whiteboard, you can just clear canvas. Just tap on any part, right click, then tap on clear canvas, tap on confirm, and you can tap on stop sharing. And when you're done with the meeting, you see this arrow pointing downwards. You have the option to leave the meeting or end the meeting. When you end the meeting, all the participants will automatically leave the meeting because you've ended it. Or if you click on leave meeting, You would be absent, but the participants will still be in the meeting. So if there is anything they need to discuss, they can continue discussing it while you are away. So be sure if you want to leave the meeting or just end the meeting. Now I want to end the meeting because I'm done. So I will tap on end meeting. So it will ask you, you would end the meeting for everyone. Do you want to end it? Tap on end and the meeting has been ended. So with this, I believe I've shown you how to navigate the Microsoft Teams app. If you have any question, please do well to drop it in the comment section and I will attend to it. Thank you for following through. If you got value, do well to like this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel. That is your own way of supporting me. Thank you and I will see you in my next video. Later.